Hello everyone! If you just got a sewing machine and never touched the sewing machine before, how to use the sewing machine, where to start, it can seem a little bit intimidating or daunting. This series of videos cover the basics as a step-by-step guide. I hope to help you get started sewing a little bit easier. Now let's get into it. The machine I have is a very basic Singer. It is sufficient for me so far. The model I have is Singer 1507, if you are interested to know. It looks like this. Yours may look different, with different buttons or knobs, but don't worry, all the machines have different looks. The important thing is the basic functions are the same, just like our smartphones. They may look a little bit different with different models or even different generations of iPhone, but the essential functions are still the same. So let's take a deep breath, relax, and continue watching. Take your time. We start with the toolbox because it has all the essential little tools we use later on. All sewing machines come with this toolbox. It's here. You can pull it off, open it, and you will see this little bag with tools in it. We will introduce them as we go on into the next steps. When do the sewing, I personally prefer to leave the toolbox unattached. I feel like I have more space to move the fabric around. In your toolbox, you will find the needle bag and this little tool. First, we take out one needle. It is a universal needle which can be used on most fabrics like cotton, viscose, etc. And I suggest to start with this fabric for practicing too. They are easier to work with. The needle has a flat side and a round side, which also has two blue lines. We hold the needle like this, so the flat side is on the back and the round side is facing us. Then insert it here. Push it all the way up, then hold it in place with one hand. Use the other hand to turn this screw. Then this little tool comes in handy. It's like a screwdriver. Use this end to screw here tight, so the needle cannot fall out. Now it's time to do threading. I will use this green thread. Take the cap off, put it on the spool pin. If we don't use the cap, the spool will fall off as it turns. So we put the cap on to prevent that happen. See? Now we thread it by following the arrows with the solid lines. They are marked with numbers. 1, 2 is going down. Here comes 3, which is go left, then go up to number 4. Here is supposed to have a metal part. If you don't see it, you can use this hand wheel on the side. Roll it towards you, then the metal part will come up. Now move the thread up, then to the left, then go down, so it hooks on the metal part. Now comes number 5, which is this little hook around the needle. Put the thread behind the hook. Before thread into the needle, I like to cut the thread, sometimes lick the thread a little, to make sure it has a sharp end. which makes it easier to go through the eye of the needle. Now the threading is done. We will continue the rest of the steps in the next video. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.